Okay, this is going to be the first HD video, at least by my standards, HD video that we're putting out as technology.uniquefoundry.com. You can email me at, I'm sounding like some kind of somebody beyond my age a little bit, I guess. You can email me at some DTI, it's like Director of Technology and Innovation at uniquefoundry.com, DTI at uniquefoundry.com. And this is going to be, my name is Nick Burke, and this is going to be one of many series that I'm going to call SOFENG, or Software Engineering Videos, discussing some facet of software engineering. It can be big or small. In this case, we're talking about is a or has a, and what does that really mean? So, by the way, I made this cool intro screen. So yeah, it's true. Some of this is a little bit of getting myself out there, I guess. So. This is the basic shot where I'm working from now, and me and my tattered self, and old coffee and whatnot, and computer screens. But the is a has a thing is really important, and I just think that we really often end up in a situation where people try and teach people the is a has a, and really it's a really easy way of talking about the object-oriented principles of inheritance and encapsulation, and instead of just focusing on one or the other, they try to teach four different things and how they're the same, and then people get confused. I don't know, for some reason people get confused these things. I'm not saying it's the way it's taught, but it's just people get confused. We're looking at my desktop here, fantastic. But it's I was going to, yeah, that's what we'll do. I was sort of demonstrating this to my friend earlier. Actually, what I can do is go to OneNote, and if I think I should go to OneNote and see what it's in. In object-oriented programming, you have classes that inherit from base classes. Now, in an example we did earlier, we talked about actors. In other words, different actors in a software system. And we said that that actor may have, and let me see, I can probably do my highlighter here. The actor, ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. The act, why isn't it letting me draw here? Maybe I need to do this. And the actor base class here had these properties, username, grid, date first accessed, and I don't even know what that says there. So the actor base class will have these properties, username, grid. These could be methods too, but in this case we just made them real simple. Get properties, basic get, getter, and setters, accessors, setters. And then we have, and this class was abstract, which means that you cannot instantiate an instance of the class, which is kind of getting into all of our conversation. But it's an abstract class, since it has to be, it's really meant to be a base class, but in the name of the class, we called it actor base class anyway, just for that much more clarity. So that it would stand out in its file name, and you wouldn't have to look for abstract classes. I mean, that'd be it's not really that easy to do. So, And you may have a human actor or like a machine actor, and a human actor may have a first name, and for a machine, it might have a network machine name or something. Who knows? But machines are gonna have a first name and a last name and stuff like that. So you make the human class. I use the blue here. The human class inherits the base class, actor base class is a human actor class, and that class will have first name, username, GUID, and everything. So in other words, by inheriting the base class, the human actor is a actor that is a now. Now in here, when we have these things like I'll use green or really green. And these things like username and GUID and all that stuff is pretty dark. Probably some using a marker, this would be something like this. This stuff here, it's all just like, you know, simple types for the most part, whatever you want to call it, strings, booleans, things like that. But they could be lists of other classes or something like that. So maybe a stage, like here as a stage, has a show host, and that's an actor. Well, the stage, it's not really encapsulation in the sense that, well, it is and it isn't. I guess it depends on how strict our interpretation of what encapsulation is. But in my opinion, it's encapsulation. And that is the fact that, you know, it's not just hiding the functionality or containing some sort of functionality. It's containing something that represents something. So it encapsulates, by having an actor as a property, it encapsulates the fact that the show host is an actor, and therefore it has an actor, or I say has a. So if you would do an encapsulation, it has a stage, the show host, who is an actor, and then maybe the show host, the stage has a name, like Nick's Great Acting Stage. So that's really, you know, is a and has a. And I think in the next video I will do we'll use this in some code to demonstrate some of what I said. But for now, I'm going to keep the video somewhat short, and I've babbled enough. I'm going to put on our login and logout screen, our symbol screen, and wow, there's no delay, so I can just stop it whenever I want to. So have a good night.